making tracks to Big Pickles. Yo, can I get some beer?
Yeah, I bet.
Thanks.
You forgot to pay, stupid!
Nah, I'm just cool like that.
Oh, my bad.
Hey, Foreman, guess what? I got corona.
Pardon?
I got corona, and I'm on my way to the sheds. Gordon? Gordon? Hello? Gordon? What a lovely day to be working on the railway tracks.
Sir,
What?
sir!
Hey, Flick. Yeah?
Joe's got the coronavirus.
Spaghetti,
We need to tell everyone and put the island on lockdown.
Bet. Hey, you slaves. Entrants and residents of the island. Anyway, James can't coronavirus, so we need everyone to quarantine as we are putting it on lockdown.
Oh, shucks.
What are we gonna do?
What are we gonna do?
Well, Tombat.
Hey, I just said that.
1 second, Edward. Shut the fuck up, Percy! No one cares about you! Sorry, Edward, what were you saying?
Well, Tomo, the most we can do is listen to the fatty fat guy.
Hey, I'm not fat. I'm vertically tall.
1 second again, Edward. Shut the actual fuck up, fat ass!
Jeez, man, no need to be meanie.
My bad. Anyway, what, Edward?
Man, I can't wait to share this Corona Extra while we have our major rager where we talk about cute boys with my friends at our sleepover. I need to pick out cute pajamas so I can impress my crush Percy. And have big cockfights. With our chickens. I know what you were thinking, you silly willy goose. And I have to bring the popcorners from the Breaking Bad ad.
So, what do we do?
We have to kill him.
Keep thinking, Potato.
Oh, man. I got it. We cut off his wheels with a rusty spoon so he's paralyzed for life.
What the fuck? Ring ring, ring ring.
Guys? James is calling me. Hey, Percy, you should KYS. Okay. It means keep yourself safe. Percy?
Oh no, James gives Percy corona and he's daft.
The corona's getting too strong. There's only one way to stop him.
How?
We killed his wheels with a rusty spoon, so he's paralyzed for life.
There's something wrong with you guys.
We know.
There's nothing wrong with me.
No.
My bad!
What if we all stay here?
Yar, shut up, you scallywag!
I'll just feed James my special salmon. It has AIDS on it.
Beg pardon?
Ye heard?
I will save the day. Cranky, lift me up. Super hat, super fly, up, and away!
No, Cranky's idea is actually kinda giga.
I told you guys to save the day. I'm sold and lazy. So you guys do it. Or you die.
Me too. Well, you sure, Gordon. You always say you're the biggest and fastest. Never mind.
Also, there was a hero.
Let's sacrifice Hero. He doesn't speak Silver, so let's just tell him we're taking him to bring children.
Also, there is no longer a hero.
Shit. Let's use Percy's body to lure him in. Drop down the body, Cranky.
Is that a sex toy?
Odd couple!
Boys, get him!
Yowzers! It hurted! Yowzers!
Hooray!
What was that for?
You have Corona.
Yeah, Corona beer for our sexy sleepover. I was gonna get Percy drunk so I could suck his pickle.
What?
Nothing. I didn't say anything. I have coronavirus. Yeah, I have coronavirus. Wait a minute. If everyone's dead, I can take Percy's body to the shed. Huh? What are you doing here?
It's just you and me now.
Uh-oh. I don't actually have coronavirus. It was Corona beer.
Oh, damn, my bad. Is that Percy? Oh, yeah, baby.
Help, help.
Hey guys, I'm here now. Guys? Oh damn,